What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy rainy Saturday. I thought it'd be fun to share the video. Geez, I came across in high school probably 20 years ago that predates the YouTube. I found it in some forum, and this video single-handedly got me into Corvettes. I've always liked cars, but this video is amazing. And if you've never seen it as a Corvette enthusiast, stick around and check it out. Alright, so I've always loved cars since I was a kid in some sort of capacity or form. Through high school, I was more of a tuner type car enthusiast. My first car was a Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe, which doesn't really fit that, but I graduated in 2002, and in '02, the neon SRT4 was about to come out. I obsessed over it. What else? My brother was super big into Honda S2000s. I was big into those. Pretty much Corvette wasn't on my radar, even though my dad had a C4. I never really thought about it. I always looked at Corvettes as an old man's car. I never been in a C5 at this time. They were still new, and the idea of even having a C5 at the time was so foreign and out of reach. You know, I'm a young 18, 19-year-old kid, and at the time these things were still going for $45,000. It was like me trying to buy a Ferrari right now. It just wasn't attainable. I came across this video, and ever since I've obsessed over the LS platform, the C5 end up. I just love Corvettes. So I'll go ahead and share my screen with you, show you this video. I haven't seen this in a long time. This video popped in my head last week, and I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys, see what you guys think about it. If you've seen it, please comment. If you haven't seen it, please comment below. So let's go ahead and roll that video. Oh, and also the original uploader of this video, Import Evolution, the website's no longer active and has a forwarded website, doesn't work either, but I don't think there'll be a copyright issue, but if there is, let me know. I can take it down. And if you're the original creator or the actual guy with the Corvette in this video, please let me know. It's pretty crazy. And after the video, I'll go over the specs on the Corvette in question. Alright, so I'll shut up now. Here we go.
Whoa! Isn't that vet? Get up beside him, man. Get up beside him, man. Get it! I think he's scared. Holy shit!
Sounds so good.
Damn!
Oh, damn.
Holy shit!
That was fucking
Dude.
mean. That was fucking mean.
You sure you want some of that? You sure you want some of that? Oh shit.
Tell him to give me a ride. God, this is not a good place to race.
I'll let you on. You ready to run, man?
Tell me you had a camera.
That fucker's bad. Holy shit. Let's do it right here, man. We got all-wheel drive, man. We'll rip you out of the hole.
By the way, the camera car is an Eagle Palette all-wheel drive.
Holy shit, that fucker's fast.
It looks really
You
good
guys need to
too.
launch it, man.
Alright, we're about to race this badass Corvette. There it is, right there.
Okay. We're going on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Totally gets me hit. There we go.
Holy shit. Whoa. Good fucking run, dude. You ran that boy hard. That was good.
Yeah,
That
he
is-
started pulling.
God, that thing pulls like a raped egg. Holy shit.
I didn't have the best, a slight hesitation, but
Wow. That is impressive. Good fight. Good night.
Okay, so you gotta think this is, geez, probably filmed 20 years ago. The quality sucks, I know. Looking at this video 20 years ago, it was amazing. I know a lot of cars are much quicker now, but at the time, being obsessed with a tuner car, just seeing this Corvette as I thought of this quiet, you know, old guy car, totally blew me away what these things are capable of. And as far as what I can find, it's a Lingenfelter kit probably 650 horsepower, give or take. All bolt-ons. It's on a Z51 package, not even a Z06. I think it's a 6-speed manual. I can't be for sure, but there wasn't hesitation between gears, and I know the A4 does ship kind of slow, so maybe it is an automatic. Nonetheless, and it was pretty cool. I mean, the camera guys were young kids, and you could tell they never really filmed before and weren't used to it. This is way before YouTube, and they were a little crude in their approach, but they got the respect from the Corvette owner, which is pretty cool. It's also crazy. You never hear of Eagle anymore. Remember Eagle? They were the same as Mitsubishi. You never hear of Mitsubishi anymore either. So, but yeah, I thought it was a fun little video. Some nostalgia for my Corvette inception days, getting into them, and geez, now this is my 6th Corvette. So I guess you could blame this video for me being an addict. So, thought it was kind of fun. Alright guys, in any case, go enjoy your Saturday. Crappy Saturday. It's raining here. It's like hot. It's supposed to snow tonight. It's weird. I got some more goodies for the Corvette. I got rims finally for the front. But there's a caveat to that. And I got some more interior bits. I'm going to do this tonight. Both the e-brake boot and the handle itself. I'll be putting this on. I'll film it if you guys want to see it. It'll be up probably Monday or something. Well anyways guys, that's all I have for today. Go enjoy your day. I'll see you guys next time. Mark out.